Hi, this is Dr.V.Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, KCS Cosinodar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to learn about the topic inflation. So, inflation is a rate of increase in prices over a given period of time. Inflation is sustained increase in the general price level of goods and service in an economy over a period of time. It reflects the decrease in purchasing power, meaning each currency unit buys fewer goods and service. The too much of money chasing too few goods is called inflation. We have some types of inflation: creeping inflation, walking inflation, and running inflation. First, creeping inflation. In this type of inflation, the price level increases at very slow rate over a period of time. In every stage of development, the developing countries generally will experience this type of inflation. Next, walking inflation. This inflation, the rise in price level at a higher than the creeping inflation. It is estimated that during this period of the price level will increase by 5% per annum. Unless this is controlled, it will lead to the running inflation. Next, running inflation. The rate at which the price level increases in the period is very high, maybe even above 10%. This increase in price level takes place within a short span of time. These types of inflation are based on the rate of increase in price level. Thank you.